As they cut the ball, and the first on the one. It is Casey Peterson on the rail. It is Peter Chapman Band up through the middle to take the lead, and DNS Contracting and Cooper Hugh trailing the field by 3/4 of a length. It is Motor City Farms, Casey Peterson by a horse length. Hayden Rooks, Peter Chapman Band in second place, and Cooper Hughes just drafting along in striking distance from the backside. It is Casey Peterson, Motor City Farms, running well. However, that plastic on the ground is a costly error as the Nipper laid down